Control phone music. After the S2 is successfully connected to the mobile phone Bluetooth, then click the EJEAS button to pause the music. And you can click the plus button and the minus button to increase or decrease the phone music volume. And then long press the keep plus button for 3 seconds to switch the next music. And long press the minus button to switch to the previous music. Control phone calls. After the S2 is successfully connected to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, when the mobile phone has incoming call, if there is no operation within 8 seconds, the incoming call will be answered automatically. And click the EJEAS button within 5 seconds. It will answer the call manually. And click the EJEAS button again, you will hang up the phone call. And press and hold the EJEAS button for 3 seconds within 5 seconds to directly hang up the incoming call. Last number reply. After the S2 is successfully connected to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, double-click the EJEAS button to automatically deal the last outgoing call. Wake up the phone voice assistant. After the S2 is successfully connected to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone, press and hold the EJEAS button for 3 seconds to wake up the voice assistant of the mobile phone.